travelers!
Hello, happy travelers!
Welcome back on board the Disney Wish. We are here, today's video, for something very fun and special.
We are going to take you to the only Disney Cruise Line lounge that requires a reservation. You could say it is the most exclusive place in this cruising galaxy.
Oh, and of course we are talking about the brand new Star Wars HyperSpace Lounge. As Charles mentioned, you have to have a reservation. We had to wait in a long line on boarding day to get one, but we did, and they're allowing us to take you with us. So let's strap in, let's board a spaceship, let's get out of here. We're heading to a galaxy far, far away. Star Wars HyperSpace Lounge begins right now. Let's
go!
Alright, we needed a reservation for this one and we got it. Let's head inside. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Yo! What? Check it out! We're in space. We've been in here all of 30 seconds and it's already awesome.
The theming is like so intense. We have a tablet for our menu, and it not only is our menu, but it like tells us about the planets that we're going to hyperspace through.
You can click on it and it'll give you like information about that planet, the region, the sector, the system, what the terrain's like, the atmosphere. Mustafar, Tatooine, Indoor, Coruscant, and it's very similar to like the Skyliner Lounge that we've seen on Dream and Fantasy. But instead of traveling around Tokyo and New York and things like that, we're going to be flying through space around different planets. And so you can see why you would need a reservation. One, because it's awesome in here and everyone would want to come in. But two, it's not a very big spot. It's a pretty small lounge. So that's why you're going to need the reservation. You're going to come on boarding day, go right to the area that they're doing sign-ups, and try to grab one because not a lot of seats to go around. Ooh, look at all the colorful bubbles back there. That is super cool.
Now you may be saying, Hoffman's, you do not drink alcohol. Why are you here in a lounge/bar? I'll tell you why, because they have some libation-free options, meaning alcohol-free options that we are going to partake in. Cloud City and Temple Twist.
We punched it. Enough of that planet. Time to go somewhere else, apparently. And I know you guys can't see it on film, but the whole room was just shaking like we were flying through space.
Oh, so that's what it feels like when Chewie punches it. Even though we're not going to be partaking in them, I am going to show you the full cocktail, wine, and brews menu, but I'm going to show it to you on the phone because it's a little bit easier to read than on the tablet.
And you can get your drinks in souvenir glasses, like the souvenir port glass, which you can see right here. Alright, our two drinks have arrived. So we have in this one, this is kind of like the smaller one that we have, Temple Twist. So it's apple, mint, pineapple, ginger beer, and kiwi.
And it has like the little, what are they called? Those little squishy balls.
Oh, boba pearls?
Yeah.
Is that what they're called? Boba Fett.
Boba Fett, Boba Pearls.
This one is the Cloud City. So that is oat milk, blue raspberry, and galaxy ice cream.
It kind of looks like the blue milk at Galaxy Edge at Hollywood Studios.
Or at Disneyland.
Either or. It looks like the blue milk.
It does.
With ice cream.
I'm gonna go ahead and try these. This has mint, which I don't like mint. So here's to Mr. Ayakoka and his failed experiment, the little red. That is like worse than Listerine.
Oh no!
How does anyone drink that?
I bet I'll like it.
Apple and mint. Hold on to your ears. Where are we going? drink to survive the desert climate.
Okay, that is really like minty.
Right?
Like I like minty stuff, but I get what you mean with the Listerine a little bit.
Like you love mint juleps at Disneyland. This though is
That's
no
like
mint julep.
really minty.
That's not good.
Not my favorite.
If you don't, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if Chelsea doesn't like it, that's how good.
I don't hate it.
No,
I don't hate
but
it. It's just like, I don't know, maybe I need to kind of get used to it. I'm trying to get one of these Boba Fett pearls, but I can't get one.
That's a face that says, this is great.
I actually really like the pearls. The pearls are good.
Oh.
I like it more when I get a pearl mixed in with the drink.
Okay.
It like cuts the mint
It's like a balance.
balance.
Interesting.
Like the light side and the dark side.
Oh, I see. Yes.
This one was for you, so try the one with the ice cream.
That's true. I love ice cream, blueberry. I'm digging the vibes. First a sip, then a scoop. How about we do that?
Sip this scoop.
Interesting.
Oh yeah?
Creamy. It tastes like milk, but it's oat milk, right?
Okay.
So it's a little bit different. And then this. That's good.
The ice cream's good.
Kind of tastes like a sherbet.
Oh, okay.
It's different. Oh, I think there is some. Are you seeing this?
What is that?
The orange inside? Maybe that is sherbet. Yeah, I think so. I don't know that you're really gonna like this one too much.
I'm not.
Kind of the fruit mixed with cream
I'm
or
not,
milk.
but I'll try it. Yeah, not for me. I like the sherbet,
Yeah, that's good, right?
but that's a me thing. Like I just don't like the fruit and dairy situation.
I'm gonna guess we're outside of Mustafar right now, judging by the color. Star Destroyers are heading in. It's a trap.
Okay, now this is what I want you to do. I want you to go to the menu, go to cocktails, and look at the last item on there. What is it?
That would be the Kyber Crystal, which don't come at me if I get this wrong, but I'm pretty sure that refers to what lightsabers are made from.
Okay.
The galaxy's rarest and most valuable cocktail, priced at not $5, not 500, 5,000 US dollars.
Like really, there's a drink on this menu.
Not kidding.
$5,000.
All right, I'm gonna order 2.
No.
So we mentioned you have to have a reservation to come here. You see ours is at 11 o'clock and it says for 45 minutes. Now, I'm not sure if they'd actually hold firm to that and make you leave after 45 minutes. Probably not, but that is what's listed as the duration. I think probably just because they do want to kind of keep things moving to open up space for others.
On a scale from Jar Jar Binks to Han Solo, how cool is this place?
It's almost rude to give it that scale. No, I mean, it's really cool. It is cool that you get to see the, kind of the space backdrop there, and I love the color bubbling liquids. Honestly, I think I like looking at that more than the screen.
It's relaxing.
I like the music they play in here. I wish it was a little bit bigger, just to accommodate more people. It'd be nice if they had some more offerings, but it's great that they at least have 2 that we can have. So, yeah, I like it. I mean, I think it's definitely a very good addition. Very good, something new to bring to the ship. Just about to walk out, but there's like a holographic display here, or like a hologram, hologram. Look at that, it's so cool. It's like this capsule Crystal. It's like a 3D floating hologram. It's different spaceships. The one a minute ago looked like from Star Wars. Also, there's an actual door that opens and closes. We're gonna go out. Hit the green button. Slide! Alright friends, there you have it. That was our adventure in space here at the Star Wars HyperSpace Lounge. What'd you think?
It went by fast. You could say at hyper speed.
Heyo.
It was really cool. Like, I think if you really enjoy like cocktail hour and stuff, like you'll love this. And obviously if you're a Star Wars person, you'll like really love it. You know, our menu was like very limited because, you know, the non-alcoholic menu. But, you know, we expected that going in. We wanted to try some stuff. Mostly we wanted to experience it. So I think it's worth the experience. I think it's worth like getting in line, waiting for a reservation and all that stuff while they're doing it. Yeah, I would 100% do it.
Yeah, for sure. We don't know how they'll do reservations going forward. Maybe if you can book them ahead. They weren't expecting it to be this popular. So right now they're kind of scrambling. We had to make ours on day one in the Triton Lounge, so just be prepared. It may be there. But definitely recommend getting one. Definitely recommend coming out here, checking out the HyperSpace Lounge on board the Disney Wish. And if you're interested in sailing on board the Disney Wish, we can help make that happen. Feel free to reach out via the travel agent information. You can find it in the description of this video. And of course, if you're interested in more Disney Wish content, daily videos, room tour, and that full and complete ship tour, you want to be sure to check out our Disney Wish playlist on our YouTube channel where you can find all of those videos. Thank you for joining us for today's video, but we're going to sign off. We'll see you guys next time.
Happy travels
to a galaxy far, far away.
Punch it, Chewie.